In 2020, Microsoft shut down the servers that hosted Windows Update for Windows XP. To remedy this, there's unofficial service packs and there's standalone packages, but there's something a lot easier than that. To get around this issue, members of the community have created a third-party tool that replaces the default Windows Update that comes with Windows XP. Today I'm going to show you how to install that. First, you're going to visit LegacyUpdate.net. Once we're on LegacyUpdate.net, simply click Install. And then you can save it. I'll save it to the desktop. On a lot of XP machines, there may be an issue where the program doesn't run, and you'll just have to follow this guide right here. It's fairly simple. Right-click on the program, click Properties, and check Unblock, and then Apply. Installation is also fairly simple. You can choose to do Windows Embedded POS Ready 2009 updates if you'd like, which was, I think, up until 2018 or 19. Once it installs, Internet Explorer is going to ask you to run an add-on. You can just click Run Add-on on all websites, and then run. Sometimes it'll pop up multiple times, just click it again. Once you get to this stage, you're going to have to be patient as it takes quite a while for it to pull the servers and figure out which updates your computer needs. If you check the POS Ready 2009 box, you're going to see a lot of updates. Once you get to this screen, you're good to go. One thing to keep in mind is that some of these updates are going to fail to install, especially if you checked the POS Ready 2009 updates, as not all of them officially are supported on Windows XP Service Pack 3. In my testing, Microsoft Security Essentials failed to install and Windows Live Essentials failed to install, so keep that in mind as well. I do know that Media Player and Windows Messenger do install. Once you click Install, it's going to go just like any other Windows update prior to 2020. What's interesting is that Legacy Update also changes the icon and text for the control panel icon. Keep in mind that Legacy Update is supported on Internet Explorer 8 and Internet Explorer 7. I'm not 100% sure if it works on IE6, but in 7 and 8 I had no issues. As you can see, it's going by pretty quickly, but keep in mind if you're doing this on a Windows XP era machine, it'll probably take a lot longer. Alright, the updates are complete. Let's go ahead and restart. Now that it's restarted, let's check on the status of our updates. It looks like a few updates didn't install, but that's fine. As I said before, some of these updates are just not going to work. .NET Framework 4 was having issues on my native Windows XP machine, however I haven't tested in the VM and I'm not too sure what the issue is with it. Obviously you can just install this from Microsoft directly. If you click on the Update History tab on the left side, you will see that all of the updates that I installed were successfully installed. And that's about it. If you like, you can turn on automatic updates here. It makes it pretty easy for you. But this isn't super necessary since there aren't any updates coming out for Windows XP anymore. So you can just install all of the updates and then never worry about it again. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope I helped somebody out, and stay tuned.